Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Capi Sun Moon Venus or rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate, even if it is resonating 100% with you. Don't take it as a personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance only, and whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So just give me a second, let's start. The overall energy for Capricorn people for this week. So we have the two of Michael. It will all be better if you just make a decision. You guys might be postponing a very important decision that you guys should be taking, so that it is going to be better for you. So don't hold back from taking the decision or making the change life changing decision that you might have that you should have taken might be long time ago. Over analyzing a problem, you are overthinking and over analyzing a situation. Find a compromise. I think you guys have to find a middle ground in a situation, especially if other person is also involved. Finding a middle ground is going to help you a lot in getting the peaceful solution that you guys are looking forward to have. Okay, let's see the messages, the per day messages. 11th, we have the Three of Gabriel, prosperity arising from wise planning, time to take the next step, optimistic plans that turn out as expected. Prosperity arising from wise planning. If you guys want proper success in a particular direction, planning and strategy is very important. If you guys are going to continuously run in multiple directions and trying to get the success that you want, it's not happening. You guys have to have a proper planning and strategy, and the time has come for you guys to take the next step. If you are stuck on the first step only, or if you're not taking any kind of action in a particular direction, just thinking about it, then you're not going to get anything, right, Capricorn? You guys have to work for it, and you guys have to take the step. Optimistic plans that turn out as expected. If you are going to remain optimistic and positive and go ahead in a particular direction, your plans might turn out as expected. Positive energies, quite positive. 12th May, it's my birthday. On 12th May, change your life. A sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you, a secret is going to be revealed to you, or you are going to have some kind of awakening or some kind of aha moment that is going to offer you the freedom that you wanted from a very long time. Break free of procrastination. Make sure you are not going to make the mistake of procrastinating the important things that you should be doing on this particular day only. Procrastination is going to lead to some kind of failure if you are not going to take care of things on that particular timing only. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Okay, change is going to bring you a lot of beautiful and positive opportunities. Embrace the opportunities instead of resisting the changes. Try to embrace the opportunities. That is going to lead to growth and expansion and happiness. 11, 12, 13th, we have the Queen of Michael. You know exactly what to do. You guys have the understanding and knowing about what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in a particular direction. The benefit of experience. You guys have gone through some kind of shit like this before as well. So now you guys have the experience and the wisdom and the knowledge to handle a situation in a proper way. So like, take the benefit of experience. Okay, a time for your career rather than relationship. On the 13th of May, focus on your career more than your relationship. Now nobody is saying you to neglect your relationship area completely and don't talk to your partner even. Like, shift your focus on your career if that area is not doing well. Okay, 11, 12, 13. 14th of May, we have the Knight of Raphael, committed romantic relationship. Somebody might end up committing to you, or you guys, if you guys are having an on and off, in and out kind of energy in your life, especially in your romantic life, there are chances of that getting sorted, being swept off your feet. You guys are going to get some kind of love offer or relationship offer, or a really beautiful kind of offer. Situations or topics that make your heart flutter. Your heart is going to sing with happiness. Your heart is going to be more involved in romantic relationships, and la la land kind of energies and passionate kind of energies on this particular day. 15th, we have the 7 of Michael. There is better course of action available to you. There is some kind of better opportunity available to you in the near future. If you guys are stuck on something or someone, and you are taking that as your final choice or final decision, then look out for other opportunities too. There is, and especially if you have to do something regarding a situation and you think my way is the highway, nothing else, no one else matters, then look out for other action other course of action available too. My goodness, working alone may not be the best answer. Okay, if you are planning to work alone, maybe you can hire somebody, you can take help from somebody to unload your burden, to help you out. Review all the details, especially if you guys are signing some kind of documents or some kind of contracts or something. Review all the details, okay, before you guys are going to sign. We have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th of May, we have the wheel. New beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. There is going to be some kind of new beginning in a particular area of your life. If you guys are facing delays and obstacles and challenges, that can also end on this particular day. A change in direction that offers happiness. Something new and something fresh might pop up in your energies, and that can offer you a lot of happiness. So try to grab this opportunity and make good use of this day, because really beautiful energies are coming in. 17th, we have the 4 of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give with an open heart, with a heart full of gratitude, with a heart full of love and kindness, you also receive the same kind of energies from the universe. Now, don't make it a transaction, make it look like a business deal. That if I'm going to do karma, I'm going to get good karma only, good energies, good vibes only, good like blessing only. That is a business transaction. You should do everything good in your life without any kind of expectations. Then only you are doing the good deed or good thing. Otherwise, you are just making a transaction, business kind of transaction or deal. That's not how it works. Being resistant to change is only going to bring you misery and painful kind of experiences. Change is the only constant, Capricorn, and we have to adapt with the changes. Otherwise, we are going to not survive. Extinction, evolution. Those who are not able to survive, they vanish. They just vanish, like, right, like that. Extremes in how you save or spend your money. Either you are going to be spending too much or you are going to be miserable. So you guys have to find a middle ground where you are able to save also and you are able to enjoy your money also. Let's see what we have as the final guidance for you guys, Capricorn. So the final advice here is the King of Gabriel. Keep your eyes on the big picture. Keep your eyes on the prize, Capricorn. Leave the details to other. Don't be bothered about small obstacles or challenges or some kind of issues that keep on popping up here and there. Don't be too much focused on those kind of things. Experience that leads to success. You might get some kind of experience that might not be that much good, to be honest with you, but it can lead to some kind of major success in the coming future. So keep your eyes on the prize. Genuine concern for others. You might be concerned about people, things or situations. Talk to them, talk to them, have communication, have clear energies, and you are not going to be that much concerned then, I guess. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.